We all want to grow our YouTube channels, but how do we actually do that? In this video, I will reveal YouTube secrets by Cannell and Benji Travis, and give tips on how to succeed on YouTube. I'm Jerry, and this channel has videos on how to improve yourself and succeed. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. Let's begin. The book is divided into 3 sections: the strategy, tactics, and appendix for FAQs and links to other resources. If you ever wanted to be a YouTuber, or you are a beginner like me, you have to check out this book. It is practically the blueprint to success on YouTube. There is just so much useful information to learn. The strategy part is called the 7 C's: courage, clarity, channel, content, community, cash, and consistency. Courage is the first part. Why have you not started? This book will bust all the myths and motivate you to get started. Maybe you're afraid of being judged, getting hate comments and negativity, or putting in all the effort without getting any return. Don't worry, you're not alone. Sean and Benji have been there, and they will help you get started. The second part is clarity. Reverse engineer success. Know what the end goal is and formulate how to get it. Know what your niche is. A niche is basically what your channel content is all about. For me, it's self-improvement, but if I had to be even more specific, it would be entrepreneurship, relationship mastery, and emotional mastery. Know what you are offering them, and you will grow your channel. The third C is channel. Brand yourself. Work on your avatar or logo and YouTube banner. I still need to work on my banner myself. The fourth C is content. Content is king on YouTube. The algorithm follows the audience. The book will give you ideas on how to stand out, how often to upload, and how to improve your content. On YouTube, you want to try and make every video better than your last video. The fifth C is community. Your community is everyone who is a subscriber. You want to encourage people to subscribe. You also want to encourage people to comment. To take it up another level, reply back to comments. This will build trust, so you can create consistent income through committed viewers. If you don't believe it, the book has examples of how community helped other YouTubers to be successful. Next up is cash. You will need resources to continue your mission. Whether it's to upgrade your gear for better content, or to hire a team, you will need money. This part goes over multiple ways to monetize and make money on YouTube. Some popular ones are YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, and brand sponsorships. There are way more besides those, so keep your options open. But build your influence before your income. Money follows mission. The final C is consistency. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. You want to show up and upload. The book will help you find out how to be consistent. Remember, uploading once a week for a year is better than uploading 52 videos in 52 days. It will help you make better videos and avoid burnout. Now this is the good stuff. Tactics. The first tactic is social media. Are you on any other platforms besides YouTube? You can push your content out on other platforms as well. But each platform has their own rules, so be careful to follow their rules, unless you want to be on the wrong side of the algorithm. The book will have more in-depth information about crossing over to other platforms. Next up is discoverability. We all want to get views on autopilot. It all starts with ranking. To rank a video on the first page, you'll need to work on your video SEO. Most importantly, the title, description, and tags in that order. You want to be researching before you record. But remember, the content still has to be good. If people are discovering it, but clicking off quickly, this will hurt your video's ability to rank. This is one of the most powerful parts of the book. If the book only had the tactics part, it would still be worth it just because of this. Ranking is something every creator on YouTube is working towards. Climb the rankings and start getting views on autopilot. This third one is one of my favorites, collaboration. Collabs help both creators involved. Collab content on YouTube is always amazing. The book will tell you ways to reach out to bigger creators to collab with, qualities to look for in a collaborator, and the power of collabing. I recently did a collab video myself with Happy Facts Lifestyle, and you can check it out here. This next part just blew me away. Trends and tentpoles. Time your content to relevant current events. You seriously have to read the book and check this stuff out. It is powerful. The fifth part is team. You want to scale your vision. Going at it alone can be tough and tiring. Every successful influencer has a team. You want to have people that will support your vision and make things easier for you. The book will have some good in-depth knowledge about team building and how to build one. If you want my opinion, I would suggest outsourcing some repetitive tasks to help save time. The final tactic is to think differently. If a niche is crowded, that's good. There's a demand. To stand out, you want to think differently. There are many tactics and ideas for standing out in the book, but one of my favorites is mixing things up. Every time you post a new video, it's a blank canvas. You can play with different formats and see how your audience reacts. After the tactics, it's the conclusion and appendix. Here, the book goes over some other misconceptions and wraps things up. Sean and Benji gives you the truth. Anyone can succeed if you put in the work and have patience. Always be ready to improve and remember to keep learning. The learning does not stop after reading this book. The appendix is full of FAQs. Instead of answering them, there are links to videos from their video influencers channel, which are very detailed and answer the questions completely. This book is a must-read if you want to start YouTube or succeed on YouTube. Even if the algorithm changes, some of the content in the book will be evergreen. If you want to support Sean, Benji, as well as me, click the link in the description to buy the book. If you want more resources to grow your channel, you have to check out their channel Video Influencers.